People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our first-rate, top-notch service today. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Contact us today at the number on your screen.